Good day, sir. We will discuss the stability information using the various stability diagrams, stream tables, and stress tables used on the board ships. So, number 1, stability diagram. What is ship stability? Imagine a ship floating on water. When strong winds or waves try to tilt it, heel it. Stability is its ability to return to being upright. Just like a wobble toy, it wobbles but comes back to center. GZ curve, writing arm curve. The DG curve shows how strong the ship's ability is to return upright at different angles. GZ is the writing arm, the force that brings the ship back upright. This curve shows at small angles is the ship easy to tilt or hard, larger angles will it come or tip over. The bigger the area under the GZ curve, the more stable the ship is. Key-in curve, cross curve of stability. Key-in is a measurement from the keel bottom of ship to the center to buoyancy where the upward water force acts. Number 2, trim tables. What is trim? Trim means the difference in water depth at the front, bow, and back stern of the ship. Why is this important? Because uneven trim affects fuel use, steering, and safety. Trim tables help you see how different cargo position affect trim. So this is, think of it like balancing a seesaw. If you move weights around, the ship tilts forward or backward. So what are stresses on a ship? When the ship carries cargo and faces waves, the structure's bends or twist. Like this. 2 wind stresses. Shear force tries to slide parts of the ship in different direction. Bending moment tries to bend the ship like a stick being pushed from both ends. Why are stress tables important? They help the ship's crew know if the structure is safe under current load, prevents crack, breaks, or even sinking due to much stress. Stress tables and diagrams show where the ship is under the most pressure so you can adjust cargo if needed. So this is a simple example to help you understand all three. Imagine the ship is like a longboard on water. The GC curve tells you how easy or hard it is to tip that board and whether it comes back. The trim table shows how the board tilts forward, backward, depending on where people stand. The stress table tells you if the board will crack or bend depending on where weights place.